Hey folks, got a Nissan Pathfinder here. Customer went to the dealership to get an oil change, and they said that she needs a control arm. Didn't specify which side, but they said it was ripped. So I checked it out, and it is the driver's side. It has a little cut in it. Let me just show you what the passenger side, what a normal control arm bushing would look like. All right, let's see here. So down here, this is the low control arm. That's what your normal bushing would look like. All right, got little cracks in the bushing, but it's rubber. That's going to be normal. You get the same type of cracks in your tires as they get older. All right, so there's a sleeve in the middle, rubber around it, and then you have the control arm itself. All right, so let me show you what the other side looks like. Let's walk over. I gotta turn the wheel. Let's turn the wheel over to the other side. This is the driver's side now. All right, on the driver's side, squeeze you in here. There's the bushing there. All right, you see how it's ripped? Okay, so like I said, there's a sleeve in the middle with a bolt. All right, that's the nut and bolt that you see there. That holds the sleeve in the middle. Then you got the control arm on the outside, and it's surrounded by rubber. All right, so I'm going to show you a picture of, is this necessary to change right now, or I can wait a little bit? If you notice, the cut is just on this one side. The rubber is still attached on the top. The rubber is still centered, so it's not going nowhere. Okay, I'm going to show you. I wrote a little picture here. Let me show you how that looks. All right, so I drew this little picture here. Looks like a donut, right? So this is your normal bushing. Sleeve in the middle, control on the outside, and these squiggly lines is your rubber. It'll stay safe right in there, and nothing's going to happen. It'll just stay right in the middle, and it won't go nowhere. You go over to this side, where you have the little gap now, okay? Got the little cut over here. All right, the bushing is going to be here with the sleeve. What's going to happen here is, as the car is driving, it's a possibility that this piece in the middle, the sleeve, can move a little bit, because now you have a little gap. Okay, a little air gap there that this sleeve can move back and forth. So what it's going to look like over here when you have it squished, okay, it's going to squeeze that little rubber together, make up for the little gap. Like I said, is it something that you need to change now? I recommend changing it, but is it now? Not really. Because remember, even though the cut is here, this is still full of rubber here, all the way around. So the sleeve technically is not going to fall out of the car. You know what I mean? It'll just move around in that bushing. That bushing comes with the control arm. The control arm from the dealership is roughly about $500. You can get it aftermarket for a lot cheaper. But who knows? Listen, AutoZone has one for like, I think, $360 with a lifetime warranty. I don't think the other places have any kind of warranty. Maybe less than 90-day when you buy it. All right, so if you want to change it, you can change it. I'll tell the customer if they want to change it now. Otherwise, they can wait. I don't think it's going to affect anything. And it's basically just a car that drives local. But as you can tell, the other side is starting to break up a little bit. So pretty soon it might need both lower control arms. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.